Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about. Carlisle Calcium 1200 mg with vitamin D3. A top-notch calcium supplement specially designed for vegetarians. If you're a vegetarian looking for a reliable source of calcium, you're in the right place. Stick around as we delve into all the details. First things first, let's take a closer look at the Carlisle Calcium 1200 mg with vitamin D3. This calcium supplement comes with a host of features that make it stand out. Carlisle Calcium is perfect for vegetarians. It provides 1200 mg of calcium per serving, making it an excellent choice for those who don't consume dairy products. In addition to calcium, it also includes vitamin D3. This combination is essential for optimal calcium absorption, helping to support healthy bones and overall well-being. Worried about genetically modified organisms or gluten? No need to be. Carlisle Calcium is non-GMO and gluten-free, ensuring it meets various dietary preferences and restrictions. These caplets are advanced coated, making them easy to swallow and incorporate into your daily routine. Carlisle is a trusted brand known for its quality supplements. Their products are laboratory tested, and they use superior ingredients to deliver the best results. Now, let's talk about the price. Carlisle Calcium 1200 mg with vitamin D3 offers incredible value. The list price is $19.40, but you can get it today for just $16.49 for a bottle containing 300 caplets. That's only 5 cents per caplet. Plus, you'll save $2.91, thanks to the current 15% discount on Amazon. I must mention that this product is available with free shipping on qualified orders on Amazon. However, please note that it might not be shipped to all locations, so be sure to check the availability in your area. If you're wondering about the size, these caplets are easy to store. They measure 3.15 by 3.15 by 6.25 inches and are incredibly lightweight at just 0.04 ounces. Carlisle is a brand with over 40 years of experience in health and wellness. Their commitment to quality and purity is evident in all their products, including this calcium supplement. It's made in the USA, and they take pride in delivering premium, honest supplements at the best value. So, why is calcium important, and who can benefit from Carlisle Calcium 1200 mg with vitamin D3? Let's find out. Calcium is a vital mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. It's not just essential for bone health, it also supports muscle function, nerve transmission, and blood clotting. As vegetarians may have limited sources of calcium in their diet, a supplement like Carlisle Calcium can fill that gap and help ensure they meet their daily calcium requirements. Now, let's hear from some of the customers who have tried Carlisle Calcium 1200 mg with vitamin D3. The recommended dosage for adults is 2 coated caplets daily, preferably with a meal. It's essential to consult with your doctor before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medications, or have any underlying medical conditions. In conclusion, Carlisle Calcium 1200 mg with vitamin D3 is a top-quality calcium supplement tailored for vegetarians. With its impressive features, affordability, and positive customer reviews, it's definitely worth considering to support your bone health and overall wellness. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative product reviews. If you have any questions or want us to review specific products, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.